Hey designers, today we are going to make this creative yet a very easy animation in After Effects. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Let's jump into the tutorial. Take a 1920 by 1080 composition. Take the ellipse tool. Draw a circle. Remove fill. Add a white stroke. Stroke value 12. Now align the circle in the composition. Here we have a line panel. If you can't find it here, go to Window and click Align option here. Align it vertically and horizontally. To place the anchor point in the center of the circle, double-click on this anchor point icon by pressing Ctrl-Command on your keyboard. Good. Let's turn on the proportional grid. The anchor point is perfectly in the center of the circle. Now let's draw the hands of the clock with the pen tool. Draw a minute hand first. Remove stroke. Add a white fill. We need its lines to be absolutely straight. We have turned on the proportional grid so that when creating shapes, we can estimate that the shape is coming out well and centered. Adjust the anchor point if not in the center. Adjust this as well. Do the little adjustments if needed. I'll make it thinner. Now zoom it in. Select the anchor point tool. Make sure it lies on the intersection point of these lines. Now select this layer, press Ctrl D to duplicate. Press R for rotation. Rotate it 90 degrees. Our hand is ready. Let's make it smaller in size. Perfect. Now make sure its anchor point is placed on the intersection point as well. Now you can turn off the proportional grid as well. Select both the hands layers. Press R for rotation. Add a keyframe to rotation. Move the bar to 5 seconds frame. First give one rotation to our hand. Now let's give 3 rotation to minute hand. OK. Now in Effects and Presets search. Glow. Drag and drop it on the circle. Now select white color in color B as well. Adjust the values. Make it alpha channel. Increase the threshold and radius. Increase the intensity. Move the bar to the first frame. Add a keyframe to the group A and B. Go to the circle layer properties. Effects. Glow. Move the bar to half-second frame. Change the color to red. Red. Now select the keyframes. Press Ctrl+C to copy them. Move to 1 frame. Now paste the keyframes here by pressing Ctrl+V on your keyboard. Now select the keyframes again. Copy them by pressing Ctrl+C and paste them on the 2 frame. Again paste them on the 4 frame. Select all the keyframes now. Right-click. Select Toggle Hold Keyframe. Good. Close the properties now. Select all these layers. Go to Layer, Pre-compose. OK. Now press S for Scale. Scale it down a bit. P for Position. Move it a bit on top. Now take the Text tool. Paste or write your text here. Adjust the placement of the text. Adjust the font and size. Let's place it below the clock. Now go to Effects and Presets. Animation preset. Text. Animate in. Typewriter. Drag and drop it on the text layer. Let's play the animation now. I hope you found the video helpful. Consider subscribing to my channel before you go. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up.